Thank you, Jim. We like to begin our meetings with some humor. So, in the season of political conventions, I thought this might be the time for some political humor. And to fit with our theme of today, which is embarrassing moments, let's reminisce about embarrassing moments for politicians. And you'll see a pattern emerging, mostly random politicians. I am going to keep it bipartisan because I know we have a bipartisan audience. Here we go with the rundown. Larry Craig gets caught soliciting sex in the airport men's room. Howard Dean emits his primal scream. Dick Cheney shoots a guy in the face. John Edwards gets caught trying to escape after visiting his mistress. Mark Foley gets caught trying to seduce male pages. Elliot Spitzer gets caught with a prostitute. Mark Sanford goes hiking on the Appalachian Trail. Blagojevich gets caught on tape trying to sell Obama's Illinois Senate seat. Bush gropes Angela Merkel. And Condoleezza Rice refers to Bush as her husband. Had to throw a woman in there. All right. So even politicians can have embarrassing moments.